Somebody's already here.
Yes. Good, so you may have to say out to get him started. But once you can tell he's going to go through there, say to him, come by, so he can get used to hearing that word with that direction.
This is not a very road.
Good.
This is not wide enough for a
Get out. Go away.
Nice.
This is not wide enough.
Good.
Get out. Well, that's not what I meant.
That's okay, though. He's trying. Good boy. Look at how wide he is when he comes out of there. I really like that.
Get out.
He's like, I like this way downhill.
Riley. Get out.
He says, I'm too fast.
Lie down.
Good.
Okay. No, I know. You want to go away from the dog.
He has bit me before.
I love you.
See if you can send him go by around them from that
Go
angle.
away. Go. 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 Go out. Go out.
Nice. There you go. Oh, good boy.
Get out. Go away.
Nice.
Good. Go by. Get out. Riley. Get out. Get out. Come on. Go. Get out. Good boy.
Good.
Look, up.
I know he's making you nervous.
That she's making faces at me. She says, I don't know. So I don't think that's allowed for a sheep to make faces. Very good.
When are you going to be done?
Oh, we're going to be done here in just a few more minutes. Nice.
Get out. Get out. Go.
Away. Good.
Come here.
Aren't we going to do fours? Aren't we going to do
Go
fours?
away. Go away.
Let's go by.
Oh, yep.
That's okay, though.
Aren't we going to do fours?
Get out.
Trudy?
Do floors?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Get out. Go by.
Nice. Oh, good, Riley. Look at the distance he's giving you.
Get out. Come here. Now he's going to go the other way.
Yeah.
Get out. Go away. Go away. Go. 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 You went the right way.
Nice. Good boy. Beautiful walk up there. Perfect.
Go away.
Good. He's pulling him off the fence quite nice.
Good boy.
Good boy. Good boy. Good. There. See how he handled it that time? He just kind of held his ground, but just didn't push her forward. That was a good boy. Let's go by. There, that's away. Very good. Yes, okay.
Good boy.
Good.
Oh, come on. I'm 6th grade.
No. Riley.
She's going to be your nemesis. Nice. Oh, beautiful. Good. Now see if you can send him on a go-by.
Go by.
We got even more sheep in here.
Yeah, the black sheep are in here.
And brown and white and black.
Nice. Good boy.
So I can that can just take your heading code and everything. It would be cool if I did this one.
Very good.
Get out. Go away. Go. Get out. Go.
Yeah,
Go.
come on.
Getting out. Good boy. Go. Go away. Go.
Oh, very nice.
Good boy.
Beautiful direction change afterwards, too.
Good boy.
Good.
Lie down.
I can use black.
Very
Good
good.
boy. Come on with me.
I can use the black flag as stuff.